How you doing? I'm Zach Zufelt, and I'm the inventor of the Zip Seat Extractor. Now, I love Symmons Temptrol valves because you can rebuild the entire thing right from the face. That is, if you can get the seats out. They become frozen with calcium, minerals, deposits. They're welded in there. You can't even get them out with the hand tools that they have provided.
I'm very familiar with the Symmons Temptrol valve. I work on them all the time. I would always kind of push off working on the valve because I was always nervous. I'd have to replace the valve, cut into the wall behind, or replace tile, or cut the shower stall open. We usually use a T-handle wrench, but it's very tough. Always end up stripping the seats.
That's when this tool comes in and saves the day. This tool has made my life so much easier every single time I come across one of these valves, because I can confidently go in there and know for sure I'm going to get that seat out every single time flawlessly.
I've tried the new Zip Seat Extractor tool and I love it. It takes seconds to take the seat out with the Zip Seat Extractor tool. My favorite feature about this tool is that it's 2-in-1. I can take out the big seat and then immediately remove the seat behind it in the same tool.
This 2-in-1 system has not only the wrench at the bottom to get the big cold seats out, but it also has the wrench at the top to get the smaller hot seat out in the back. 2-in-1. You don't even have to change the bit.
Since I've had the Zip Seat Extractor, I've been successful on 100% of the valves that I've done.
That easy, without stripping it. These wrenches are hardened steel, black oxide, protected and made to last forever. That's why they come with a lifetime warranty. Last one you'll ever have to buy. And guess what? They're made right here in the USA. We love the fact that they're made right here in the USA with the tightest tolerances. Each one of these fits like a glove. You can't get a better tool.
Well, my very first job paid for this tool itself right there, and now I have it in my bag forever with a lifetime warranty. Right out. Where has this been my whole life? It's given me confidence to change out the seats and get them out successfully every single time, worry-free.
You'll get the seats out every single time without stripping them with this tool.
Every plumber should have the Zip Seat Extractor in their box.
The Zip Seat Extractor from A&Z World.